Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success Home Tutor. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some full form. Listen carefully and pay attention. Now I am starting my session. First, IAS. And what's the formula of IAS? IAS is the Civil Service Examination. So we will watch the long form of this short form. Indian Administrative Service. This is the long form of IAS. Second, IPS. The long form of IPS, Indian Police Service. This is the long form of IPS. Next, DIG. The long form of DIG, Deputy Inspector General. Deputy Inspector General means DIG. Next, MBBS. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. This is the long form of MBBS. Next, IG, Inspector General of Police. This is the long form of IG. Next, SSP, Senior Superintendent of Police. The long form of SSP. DSP, Deputy Superintendent of Police. This is the long form of DSP. SDM, Subdivisional Magistrate. This is the long form of SDM. BA, Bachelor of Arts. Long form of BA. MA, Master of Arts. BTech, Bachelor of Technology. BSc, Bachelor of Science. MSc, Master of Science. LTGOV, Lieutenant Governor. This is the long form of LTGOV. Next, CIT. CIT, Criminal Investigation Department. This is the long form of CID. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. This is the long form of CBI. United Nations Organization. This is the long form of WHO. World Health Organization. This is the long form of WHO. Next, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. This is the long form of BBC. Next, DSc, Doctor of Science. This is the long form of DSc. BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. This is the long form of BCom. Bachelor of Commerce, the long form of BCom. MCom, Master of Commerce. MCom, Master of Commerce. This is the long form of MCom. Dear students, today we have watched some most important information, and I wish you enjoyed this information. And now I am completing my short lecture in here. Namaskar.